right, so guys, here at Mustang Restorations, what cars do we got going on in the shop this week?
Well, we got a bunch of cars actually. I mean, where do we start? One of the cars we got, and the Eleanor we're dropping the engine into.
Okay.
We got the 65 Fastback that I'm putting the Paxton Supercharger on. We got the 70 Mach that Preston's doing some engine work to and some exhaust work too. And we got the 65 convertible that's a train wreck that Mike's doing the full foundation on.
We also got that Meteor, and then I'm doing an engine overhaul as well.
Right, yep, we got that. And then we also got the 95 Cobra that's in the paint booth right now, getting some paint work done to it.
My name is George Delgado, and at Mustang Restorations, I'm the painter. I'm the head painter. I've been a head painter here for 20 years. I love it.
You had a whole box of them?
Yeah. Somebody put pony door clips on this, the standard door clips, and none of them work, so I'm not going to put them back on.
I thought you had a whole bunch of those.
Yeah, the box is gone.
My name is Matthew Sagowski, and my connection to the shop is that I bought a 65 Mustang Fastback about 9 months ago from Volo, and I was looking to get some work done to the car. I was asking around, and the manager over at Volo recommended, you gotta call Mustang.
So if you want to get me a grommet, a PCV, I'll get the cap,
some wires,
distributor wires on order, and then
get a measurement for a battery.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
We've done pretty much very extensive work. The engine's been pulled out of the car. The entire engine compartment was repainted. We're putting a hood soup on. Did a few minor things in the interior, new steering wheel, but a lot of the work in the car was put actually in the stuff you can't see underneath.
We ended up painting the underside of this car. Had it up on the rack, stripped the underside of it. It's color matched underneath, so she's just as shiny on the bottom as she is on top.
It's amazing they don't have a gasket.
Yeah, well, it's like the old big black manifolds. You know, they were just machined properly.
Even the big black oil pump to block, there's no gasket.
So, let me ask you something. How you like working here at Mustang Restorations?
I get up at 5 a.m. now.
Okay.
Like excited to come to work.
All right, good to hear.
This is actually the most enjoyable job I've ever had.
Okay, all right. Well, George will attest to that, right, George?
Yep. This is more than just a shop, I would say, first and foremost. You've got Christopher, who's, they call him the Mustang doctor. He's been doing this for over 40 years. And his two sons, Cody and Preston, are just top-notch guys who, they have a real passion for what they're doing. And I think they not only carry the legacy of their father, but really take the shop to a whole new level.
It's not Lamborghini power, but it's a 427 stroker with a blower on it. So you're going to be able to, do some good burnouts in it. And
It's going to be fun.
yeah, it's going to be real fun. Yeah. Yeah, because other than that, she's Oh yeah, did you ever find one of them small batteries for it, just to see if we can get past this blower head?
I can't really say I have.
Because we won't be able to start it unless we get it.
I can't really say I have.
All right.
Been busy with a bunch of other things.
My name is Michael Dorsey, and here at Mustang Restorations, I do a lot of frame work, I do suspension work, rear end, pulling motors. Well, here at Mustang Restorations, I've been here 36 years. And, and I like what I do, and I made a promise to myself, and I kept the job until the end. But here at Mustang Restorations, I love my job, love coming to work, hate staying home.
All right, I'm gonna be over in the body shop side and see what those guys are doing.
All right, while you're walking around, other people got to be getting some work done.
Yeah, all right, yeah, okay. Hey, Mike, I got one last question for you. So how do you like working here at Mustang Restorations?
Well, I like it a lot.
Yeah?
Been here long enough.
All right, good question to ask you on a Friday, right? What's your paycheck, right?
Yeah, I like working here.
Good.
Always.
All right, good, good.
Made
Well,
myself a promise, and I stuck to it.
all right, and you sure did. 35, 36
36 years.
36 years later. All
The
right,
next
well.
job I got I was gonna keep, I'm still here.
Yeah, well, and you do a damn good job, Mike, and we appreciate it. You know
Oh,
that.
I know it.
All right, let me get that phone. Good morning, Mustang Restorations. Yes, it's Chris. Yeah, we just got that thing painted earlier in the week. I think you're gonna love what you see. I mean, it. Right, right. Well, I'll send you some pictures of what we've done so far, and then I'll let you know Monday afternoon when you can pick it up. All right, thanks for the call. Bye-bye. Yeah, because only you and I know where those are.
Yeah, well, none of these guys know where they're at.
Well, did you look in the?
That's not where I had the box. I had the box back here.
I bet you if I go back there, I'll find them. Well, I'll walk back there and miraculously come up with them.
It better be in the box that I had
Yeah,
it to.
yeah, right.
Not some other box you may find. Although it looks like I might be letting him go. We'll see how he works out at the end of the day here.
Yeah.
I found these, but I didn't find my box full.
Where'd you find those? With your stuff? Yeah.
You're just not telling me.
No. Why would I take them? You know he's got these clips here someplace.
What's up, guys? I'm Cody.
And I'm Preston.
And we are the Mustang Brothers. What are we doing today?
Well, we're finishing up the 70 Mach 1. It's an original car. It's a really nice car. But what happened was, it had an engine fire. Not sure what exactly happened, but he had a fuel rubber hose going from the fuel pump to the carburetor, which I'm pretty sure that caused a fire. You could actually see how hot this fire got. The back of the alternator started roasting, as well as the radiator return hose. So I rebuilt the motor, got it all back in there, which painted the motor compartment, fired it up, ran good today. Yeah, gave it a bath, and hopefully we can get the customer down here today to pick it up.
You got it on camera. You saw me. It's a good thing we got this filmed. Hey, Cody. This the box you're looking for? It's a good thing we got it on film. I'll walk right over there. You had him supporting that one seat you got there.
No, I
Yeah.
didn't put seats up there.
Well, I don't know, but that's where it was. So.
See, you should have bet me, but you didn't.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Did you find out what was wrong with the window?
Working on that right now.
Oh, okay. All right.
Just getting the door panel up. Had a plug there, so.
Okay. Let me ask you something. So how do you like working here at Mustang Restorations?
Well, how long have I been here?
You've been here for 35, 34?
It's gonna be 36.
36. And I think we were both in our
Both of us
20s,
had-
right?
Both of us had dark hair.
Yeah. Yes, we did. And a lot of it too. Long and wavy. And now it's just waving goodbye. This is Matt from Jim's Towing out of Elgin. Matt, how long you been doing towing for me?
30 years.
30 years Matt's been doing towing for me, and he's the only one I ask for over there at Jim's Towing. Always wears a white collar, so you know everything he does for your car is clean and to the point.
Okay, so just a small update on the car. One of the things that we ran into is we gotta get the spark plug wires on it. I didn't realize that the spark plugs are actually out of the driver's side because we put a Borgson steering gearbox in the thing. So we had to take the header out. Spark plugs came out with it. Now I gotta skinny my hand down in there to get the plugs back in it. But if you wanna see this car finished, make sure you turn on your notification bell if you wanna subscribe and see this car finished and hit the road doing some burnouts.
thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more Mustang content.